Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech and today we will see part 12. So let's get started. First of all, we will see kinds of adjectives. There are 14 kinds of adjectives and we have already completed till this 4. So today we are going to see possessive adjectives and adjectives of comparison. Let's see the definition of possessive adjectives. Words that answer to questions of whose. They show possession or belonging or ownership in relation to a noun. So they are always used before a noun. Let's see examples. His room was locked from the outside. So here room, that is noun, and here possessive adjective is used before a noun. So here room, that is noun, and before a noun his, that is given, that is called possessive adjective. It shows ownership or possession. Second, their parents live separately. Parents, noun, before noun there is given, so there, that is possessive. Now see, this is my book. Okay, so I am the owner of this book. This book belongs to me. So that is why my, that is possessive adjective, and book, that is noun. Same way, that is your book. So one book is there on the table. So I would say that is your book. So your that shows possession. So or ownership or belonging. That is why here your, that is possessive adjective. His bag is on the table. So bag, noun, and before a noun his, that is given. So his shows possession or ownership. That is why his, that is possessive, this adjective. Their pens are in their hands. So there, their, there. So here there, that is possessive adjective, because pens, that is noun, hands, that is also noun. So that is why here both there come under the category of possessive adjective. The bird spread its wings and flew away. So its, we use it or its for birds or animals or non-living things. Here wings of whose? So here birds wings. Okay, so that is why wings, that is noun, and its, that is possessive adjective. Let's do exercise of possessive adjectives. Pick out possessive adjectives from the following sentences. Okay, 8 sentences are given and you have to find out possessive adjectives from all these 8 sentences. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, a little girl is playing with her doll. So doll, that is noun, and her, that is possessive adjective. That is why answer is her. Second, my computer is not working as fast as it worked in the beginning. So here computer, that is noun, and before it is my is given. So my, that is possessive adjective. Third, your child is not doing well in the school. So here child, that is noun, and before noun your is given. So your, that is possessive adjective. I don't want to see his shadow again. So here shadow, that is noun, and before noun his is given. So his, that is possessive adjective. She made her life miserable by pessimism. So here life, that is noun, and before noun her is given. So her, that is possessive adjective. Will you mind opening my drawer and look into it? So here drawer, that is noun, and before drawer my is given. So that is why here my, that is possessive adjective. Stop messing with my head. So here head, that is noun, and my, that is possessive adjective. So correct answer is my. Last one, our father told us not to quarrel with anyone. So here father, that is noun, and our, that is possessive adjectives. Hope you understood this. Let's move to next kind, and that is adjectives of comparison. Let's see the definition. Words that are used to show comparison between two or more people are known as adjectives of comparison. So here you have to compare two or more than two people or thing. According to the degree, the adjectives change from positive to comparative and then to superlative. So all these three kinds of degree will come. For example, see, good, that is positive degree, comparative better, superlative best. So good, better, best. Same way, nice, nicer, nicest. Little, less, least. Let's see examples. My house is bigger than yours. So here bigger, comparative degree, comparison is given. Next, your grade is worse than mine, comparative degree. A rose is more beautiful than daisy. So more beautiful, comparative degree. The earth is larger than the moon, larger. So comparative degree. I can't find my most comfortable jeans. So most comfortable, this is superlative degree. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. So most interesting, superlative degree. 7. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Highest, superlative degree. Shruti is a kind girl, positive degree. Rahul is a handsome guy, without comparison, that is positive degree. I have already separated all kinds of degrees in my videos that we will see later on. Let's do related exercise. Pick out adjectives of comparison from the given sentences. Okay, 5 sentences are given. You have to find out adjectives of comparison. Do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, I think swans are prettier than ducks. So, prettier. So, this is adjective of comparison. This was the most difficult question of all. So, most difficult. Adjective of comparison. Our team was better than the other team. So, better. That is adjective of comparison. Can you name the richest city in the world? Richest. Superlative degree. So, this is adjective of comparison. Diamond is the hardest of all natural substances. So, hardest. That is adjective of comparison. Hope you learned a lot from this. So here we end our session, and soon we will meet in my next video that will be based on the same series, the series of parts of speech, in which we will see rest of the kinds of adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye for now.